Make a great choice today with the 2023 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.